Hey guys, welcome back to Thoughtful Savvy Mom. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my dirty laundry. Yes, I'm going to share with you how I make such a tedious, boring, stinky task so easy. So if you are a stay-at-home mom and you get the whole week to wash clothes, I'm going to share with you how to break it down for each day of the week. And if you are a working mom, as I was too, right now I'm having a little hiatus with my newborn. Well, not newborn anymore. She's 8 months. So anyway, I used to do it on the weekends. So I used to do Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In this channel, I share mommy and lifestyle videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And with all that said, let's get started. So, airing my dirty laundry. I know that laundry is not something that most of us like to do, but with what I've been doing, it makes it so much easier for me. It makes it an attainable goal, attainable task. So let's see how it's done. So every day of the week, I have a different load of laundry to do. So I have bins. I have a darks bin. I put darks and denims in there. I have a lights bin. I have a whites bin, and I have a delicate bin. I set those out in my closet. The girls use the same bins as ours, so we wash all of our clothes together. So I have one for each. Because you know what? Sorting the laundry is so tedious. That's one of the hardest things. Having to sort the whites and the colors and the darks and the sheets and the towels. Oh, I forgot. I also have a bin for towels and linen, bed linen. So once the time comes to wash that certain load, all I have to do is dunk it in the washer because it's ready to go. If I have clothing that is stained, I will either treat it with Dawn soap. I will wet it first. I will treat the area. I usually use Dawn for oil or grease stains. And then for everything else, I'm using the Shout Stain Remover. So this is how I break down my washing. On Mondays, I do darks and jeans. Then on Tuesday, I do lights and delicates. On Wednesday, I do whites. On Thursday, I do bedding and towels. That's that. I don't do any washing on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday because I want to be with my family. Now, if you work during the week, you still can implement the wash. All you have to do is once you get off from work, you get home, dunk that clothes into the washer, and do that load for the night. It's doable if you want to. Otherwise, you can do it on the weekends. Start on Friday and work your way through Saturday and Sunday. Very easy. I wash my darks and denim in cold water, and I use the OxiClean Arm & Hammer detergent. Love it. Love the smell. Love the quality of the clean. So washing the lights, I wash it in warm water. And I wash the delicates in cold water, and I always lay out my delicates to dry. And then whites, put a little OxiClean, hot water, and nice amount of detergent, and that's ready to go. For the delicates, I use my OxiClean Arm & Hammer detergent as well. When I wash the baby's clothes, that's another load, but that's I think like every 2 weeks I have to do that. For the baby, I use the Tide Free and Pure. So in my home, I use Tide Free and Pure. I use the Arm & Hammer OxiClean detergent. I use Shout, and I use the Dawn soap. Works great. Now, drying my clothes. It takes about an hour, more or less, but you know what? I don't even worry about the time because I will put it in the wash or I'll put it in the dryer and continue doing other things around the house. So I will set everything to dry. If you want to take good care of your clothes, put it in a light heat setting so that way your clothes does not get too worn out. So that's one thing that I can share with you. Now, one thing about stains. If you have something white and it is left stained All you have to do is set it out in the sun. Put it out and the sun will work its magic. It's magical. The stain will be gone. I have dirty cloth diapers. I'm like, no way. The detergent didn't take it out. The OxiClean didn't take it out. No way it's going to come out. Put it out in the sun, gone. Like brand new. So if you have something that's white and it's still stained, put it out in the sun and it will work its magic. Now, if it wasn't hard enough already to wash all of this clothes, now comes time to fold the clothes, hang the clothes, put the clothes away. So, what's my advice to you? Put it away as soon as it is dried. So, I will put everything out of my bed. I will sort it out as you can see in my video. I like to put my shirts and my socks and my pants and folding clothes, put the hangers in, and boom, put it up into the closet. I like to hang most of my clothes. Shirts, pants, skirts, sweaters, everything gets hung up. Gym shirts, leggings, pajamas. I can't think of anything else. I always fold those because there's just not enough closet space. If there was enough closet space, I would be sure to hang everything up because hanging is so much easier and so much neater. So that's that, guys. So that is how I do my laundry, how I make it easy, doable, and enjoyable. No enjoyable in there, but I do get it done because it is one of my things to do in the house, and I know it needs to get done, especially when you have 6-year-old and now a 9-year-old telling you, Mom, where is this? Mom, where is that? When are you going to wash this? Because you know they love to wear the same thing over and over. So getting laundry done is very important. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to share any tips on laundry that you have that I did not mention, please comment below. And if you did enjoy this video, also comment below with a happy face emoji and some of the shirt emojis so that I can know that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.